Welcome to Wall Street Confidential. I'm Farnoosh Torabi. Joining me is Jim Cramer, our Street.com co-founder. Hi, Jim.
Hi, Farnoosh.
We're outside the New York Stock Exchange where VMware is slated to IPO on the New York Stock Exchange, ticker VMW.
Right.
It's like the hottest tech IPO of the year, called the next Google. How do you feel about VMware?
Well, it should be. My PC has been down for the last 24 hours, therefore rendering me completely inoperative in my business. And the reason is because I have infections on my PC that should never have been into my PC. So what is your answer for big organizations that have servers and then have this PCs that are corrupted and you have to have millions of tech people to fix individual PCs? You keep it all on a virtual server somewhere else. I would be working on my PC right now if I had it. So would the rest of America. VMware is the solution to a lot of the security problems we have. Everything's been patchwork until now with VMware. Now, how about the deal itself? The deal itself is one of those very exciting deals that I think could change the psychology. One of the things that I have been saying over and over again, and I believe in a post-Bernanke world that he is going to wipe out or has wiped out a lot of mortgage organizations, is that tech will shine. And one of the reasons I think tech will shine is it's got growth regardless of whether the Fed tightens or not, and because it's got the tech companies have best balance sheets. So while VMware is a stock that's already going to open really high, and I actually think that wherever it opens, you might actually be able to buy more, like Lululemon, like Under Armour. My take is this: own EMC. Yeah. I've been buying EMC for ActionAlertsPlus.com. Now, I want to make this point. I don't want to go on too long on this because it is somewhat of a critical stance that I'm taking. But the questions in Stock Picker, there's probably been maybe 40 all asking the same thing. What do you buy EMC for VMware? Well, yes. I mean, you do, and now it's too late. I've been buying it all the way down. Last Friday, when it was at $17.10, I was widely ridiculed for suggesting something that was stupid. My takeaway here is threefold. One, VMware is a very exciting company because of its technology. Two, it may actually be able to be bought after it opens. But three, stocks themselves don't always tell the truth. In this period, we're having a lot of stocks that are not in sync with the fundamentals. The best way to have bought VMware before the big pop was to buy EMC. And just because the stock goes down doesn't mean that it should go down. EMC should never have gone down. That's where the opportunity in this market is. I want people to look for opportunities in tech instead of focused on trying to bottom fish in finance. All
right, and Cisco and Intel are both investors in VMware.
Those are both great stocks too. I would be buying Intel hand over fist here, and Cisco. Those are very right stocks. I think that throughout this period they'll be up a great deal.
All right, thanks a lot, Jim Cramer on VMware's IPO. I'm Farnoosh Torabi for Wall Street Confidential. Thanks a lot.